Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. Today in this video we will learn how to extract Facebook Insights data and send it on Google Sheet, Telegram as well as on WhatsApp. Okay, so the idea here is you have recently posted an advertisement on your Facebook account. Now you want to collect the data of this advertisement, data like the total amount you have spent on this advertisement or the total clicks you are receiving every day on this advertisement or the leads you generated with this advertisement every day. Okay, so you have created a spreadsheet in the Google Sheet account where you want this data should be captured every day. At the same time, you have created a group in the Telegram where you want to send the text message of this data every day, and again you want the data to be sent as a text on WhatsApp every day to you. But the problem here is, if you follow the manual approach, you have to first collect the data of the advertisement you have posted, then you have to manually enter the data in the spreadsheet which you have created in the Google Sheet account, then you have to manually write the text mentioning the data and send it on the group you have created in the Telegram account, and at the same time you have to manually write the text to send it on WhatsApp. This process will be very long, which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, as soon as you have posted an advertisement in your Facebook account, automatically the data of that advertisement will be captured in the spreadsheet which you have created in the Google Sheet account. At the same time, the data will be sent on the Telegram account as a text on the group which you have created, and at the very same time it will be sent as a text message to you on WhatsApp. But the problem here is there is no direct link between these four applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link all of these four applications together so that every time you have posted a new advertisement in your Facebook account, automatically the data of that particular advertisement will get captured in the spreadsheet which you have created in the Google Sheet account. At the same time, it will be sent as a text in the group which you have created in the Telegram account, and at the very same time, it will be sent as a text on WhatsApp. Isn't it amazing? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to be from a technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this was the particular ad I have run on my Facebook advertisement site. Okay, now I have got the responses of this same ad in my Telegram group. Here you can see a message has arrived according to the subheads, and as well as on my WhatsApp. Here you can see the same values has been arrived here. So you must be thinking how it is possible. As soon as you have run the ad on the FB, you have got the values of that particular ad, like the leads generated, the clicks per ad have been done, the total cost amount sent automatically on your Telegram account as well as on WhatsApp. So let me show you the process on my screen, guys. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 5 easy steps of integration as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook ads account. So what we're gonna do first we'll log into our Pabbly Connect account. Then we will integrate Facebook ads insight with Pabbly Connect. Now step number 2 says collect the data from Facebook ads insight in Pabbly Connect. So we have posted an advertisement on our Facebook account and I want the data of that advertisement to be transferred in Pabbly Connect. Step number 3 says send the same data to Google Sheet to add new row. Now we will integrate Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect because I want the same data of my advertisement to be captured in Google Sheet. I've created a spreadsheet in my Google Sheet account and I want the same data to be captured there. Now step number 4 says send the same data to Telegram to send group messages. Okay, now we will integrate Telegram with Pabbly Connect because I have created a group in my Telegram account where I want the same message, the same data of my Facebook Insight ad to be transferred, to be sent as a message on the group. Okay, now step number 5 says send the same data to WhatsApp by using 360 dialog to get insight as WhatsApp message. Okay guys, I want the same data of my advertisement to be sent as a text message on WhatsApp. So here we are integrating WhatsApp. But guys, here's the twist. We are not integrating WhatsApp here with Pabbly Connect. Instead, we are using 360 dialog. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software that is official API of WhatsApp, which is 360 dialog. Okay, now let's start with the process. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers. Come to the search engine and here you have to type Pabbly. Pabbly, remember, Pabbly, okay. As you can see on my screen, this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is, if you can see product, click on product and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today, we are using Connect. So come on Connect and click. Okay, now you can see the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, a offer is going on. Don't forget to go and check. Now for the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, click here and guys, you can create your free account, completely free account in just 2 minutes. Okay, because I am already logged in, so I'll click on sign in. Let me enter the particular account. Okay, now once again you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. As you know, today we are using Pabbly Connect. So come on Connect and click on Access Now. Now you can see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. This is how the dashboard of Pabbly Connect looks. Here you can see I have created various workflows. Now we have to create a new workflow. For that, if you can see a blue button at my right corner which says create new workflow, click here and a mini box will emerge in front of you. Now you have to name your workflow here. Okay, so I'll give a name to my workflow. Okay, as you can see on my screen, I have given the name to my workflow, Facebook to Telegram to WhatsApp. Okay, you can give any name to your workflow, but remember, give a name which you can remember afterwards also. Now I have given this name. Now I'll click on create. Okay, so as soon as I'll click on create, I'll enter the workflow, let it load. So we have entered the workflow. Here we have to perform the steps of integration. Okay, here you can see I have given the title name. The title name has appeared on the top. Now the 2 tabs have emerged. First tab says trigger when this happens, choose your first application trigger. Second tab says action, do this, choose your next application action. Now you people must be thinking, what is this trigger and what is this action? So let me tell you, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Here the trigger event will be the amount spent on advertisement on Facebook. Okay, so we have advertised about an event on Facebook and we have spent a particular amount. So this is our trigger event. And what is the action, the response? What we want the collection we did against the amount we spend on advertisement, like how many leads we have generated or how many people have viewed our advertisement. So we want the responses to be captured in WhatsApp and on Telegram. So this is the action event. So you understood, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Okay, one more important thing guys, the workflow we are making today, I'll add the link of the same workflow into my description box. So you can click the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly account. So don't forget to go and check the link. Now we will proceed with our first step of integration. So for that you have to click on your first application window. Okay, come to the search field and here you have to search for scheduler. Okay, scheduler, as you can see on my screen. I'll click this. Now 3 fields have emerged in front of you. First field is asking for how often you want to run your workflow. Okay, if you'll click this arrow, you can see the options at regular intervals, once or every day. So I'll choose every day. I want to run this workflow every day, so I'll choose every day. Now it is asking us for the time. Please read the description what it is written. Please insert the time in UTC plus 0 time format only. Okay, so UTC time and Indian, there's a difference between UTC time and Indian time. The Indian time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead from UTC time. Let me show it to you. Okay, so you can simply write UTC time to Indian Standard Time on Google, and you can open the first website. And here you can see, if I'll enter the time 5 a.m., you can see it has converted to 10:30 a.m. If I'll come down, you can see the table here. The UTC time 12 a.m. is Indian time 5:30 a.m. So you can see there is a difference between difference of 5 hour 30 minutes difference between UTC and Indian time. So I want to run the scheduler at 12:30 p.m. every day. So I'll take the UTC time from here. The UTC time will be 7 a.m. Okay, so I'll go back to my Pabbly account and simply I'll write 7 a.m. here, and now I'll click on save. Okay, so we have successfully done our first step. We have put the scheduler in our workflow. Now we have to jump to our next step. Okay, come down, choose your next application, come to the search field and search for Facebook ads here. Facebook ads inside. Okay, now why we are choosing Facebook ads inside? Because we have posted an ad on our Facebook account, and we want to take the responses, how many leads have been generated from the ad or how many we have spent. So for that, we have to first integrate Facebook ad insights with our workflow with Pabbly Connect. So here we are integrating Facebook ads inside. Okay, now we have chosen Facebook ads inside. A new window of action event has emerged in front of you. Now you have to choose the action event. So for that, you have to click on this arrow, and you can see here the action events: get insights with date preset, get insights with time range. Okay, so here are two options given to you. You can preset the insight with date, or you can preset the insight with time. So you can choose whether you have to choose the date or you have to choose the time. Accordingly the date you will work, or accordingly the time you will work. So here I'll choose date preset. Okay, and now I'll click on connect. Okay, now guys, you can see here three fields have emerged in front of you. First field is add account, second field is date preset, and third is access account. Okay, now let's enter our first field, add account. If you'll read the description, enter your Facebook ad account ID here. For example, this: visit your Facebook business account and get the ad account IDs from the top right drop down area. Okay, so to get the ID, you have to click on this website, Facebook business account. Let me click on it. Okay, so this is the ad account setup you can see on my screen, and here at the right corner you can see a ID is given to you. Okay, so you have to copy this particular ID. Okay, and you have to paste it here. So let me copy the ID from here and let me paste it here. Okay, so I have pasted the ID here. You cannot see it because I have blurred it. Now come to your next parameter, which is date preset. Okay, here again in the description it is written, enter a date preset value. For example, today, yesterday, this month, last month, maximum, last 3 days, last year. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to select a particular date from here on which you have advertised about your event. Okay, let's say you have advertised about your event on present date, today only. So you will select today here, and it will take the particular advertisement or the event. Now I have posted my advertisement or an event in this month, so I'll take this particular parameter, this month, and I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Okay, if you want to see more about it, if you want to learn about the parameters, you can always click here. And this is the Facebook for developers. Okay, here you can understand the parameters: today, yesterday, this week, Sunday. Okay, here you can read about the parameters, and accordingly you can choose. Here I have chosen this month because I have run my ad in this month. I want to collect the ad of this particular month, so I have chosen the date parameter as this month. What I have simply copied the parameter from here and I have simply pasted here. Okay, now come to your next parameter, which is access token. So let me tell you from where you can get the access token. Read the descriptions. here it is written, enter access token from your Facebook developer app. Here are the steps to create Facebook developer app and generate access token. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on this site and it will open. Let it load. Okay, so as soon as you will click on the website, this particular website, the page will open in front of you. Now here the process of generating the API token is given to you. If you'll scroll down, here you can see in the Facebook developer website, you have to open it. You have to give the display name, contact email ID. You have to add a purpose. Okay, here you have to give the name to your business manager account. Here is the option for marketing API setup. You have to click on setup. Okay, now automatically access token will be generated for you. So here you can read the process of generating the access token, API token. Okay, I have already generated my API token, so I'll simply copy it and I'll paste it here. Okay, so I have pasted my access token, and of course you cannot see it because I have blurred it. Now what I have to do, I'll simply click on save and send test request, and I'll see the responses if they are positive or not. Okay, let it load. Okay, here you can see the responses are positive as there is no error shown, but I want the responses in the simple format. So what I'll do, I'll unbutton this. Here it is written simple responses. I'll unbutton this, and one more time I'll click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see the format, the particular format here. Here you can see the account ID, you can see the account name. If I'll come down, you can see the action type here. You can see, okay, you can see all of the responses down here. The on-site conversation lead group, okay, the outbound click, okay. So these are all the responses we wanted from our Facebook Insight ad. Okay, here you can see the total post engagement, post reaction, post engagement, on-site conversation lead groups. You can see everything, outbound click. So you have got the responses, all of the responses perfectly fine. Now we'll jump to our next step. For that you have to come down, click on this plus sign. Okay, come to the search field of next application, and here you have to search for Google Sheets. Now why we are searching for Google Sheets, let me tell you. Let me take you to my account on Google Sheets. Okay, this is my account on Google Sheets. Here I have created a spreadsheet, Facebook to Telegram to WhatsApp. Okay, here you can see I have given some subheadings: total spend, clicks, on-site conversation, post save, link clicks, post engagement. Okay, here outbound click, impression, advertisement start date and advertisement stop date. Now I want the values of this particular subheadings should be responded here. Okay, so these values of the parameters has been came in the responses of our Facebook when we have integrated Facebook. Here we have got the responses, the values. So I want these particular values to be captured here in my spreadsheet. So for that I have to integrate Google Sheet with the Pabbly Connect. So here I have integrated, here I have chosen for Google Sheet. Now a new field of action event has emerged in front of me. I'll click this arrow and I'll choose the particular action event. So you can see here are various action event. I want to choose add new row. So I'll click here and now I'll click on connect. Okay, a mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options. First is add new connection. Second is choose existing connection. So I'll click on add new connection and now I'll click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, I'll enter with this particular account, 𝗪𝗲𝗓. And now guys, Pabbly is asking me for my permission. So your data is completely safe and secure with Pabbly. You need not to worry about anything and you can freely press continue. Okay. So as you can see, I have been successfully authorized in. I have successfully integrated Google Sheets. Now here I have to select the parameters. The first field is asking me for select the spreadsheet. So I have to select the particular spreadsheet. I have shown it to you. This is the particular spreadsheet, Facebook to Telegram to WhatsApp. I have to select this particular spreadsheet here. So how I can select it? Here, if you will click this arrow, you can see all of the spreadsheet which are there in my Google Sheet account. Let me show it to you. If I'll go back to my account on Google Sheet, let me take you back. Okay, here you can see the various spreadsheet I have created. Now these same spreadsheet can be seen here in the scroll down. I have to search for Facebook to Telegram to WhatsApp. I want the data should be captured in this particular spreadsheet. So I'll click on this particular spreadsheet and let it load. And the spreadsheet has been chosen. Now here it is asking to select the sheet. So our sheet is 1. Let me show it to you. If I'll come back to my spreadsheet. Okay, so the particular sheet, selected sheet is sheet 1. So it has automatically chosen sheet 1. Now we have to add the value in the subheaders which we have given. These subheaders are the same subheaders which we have given in our Google Sheet. Here you can see total spent clicks, outside conversation, post save, link clicks. Here you can see the same subheaders, total spent clicks, on-site conversation, post save, link clicks. Now we have to add the value in particular field. So how you can add the value? You have to map the data. Now guys, what is mapping data? Mapping data is nothing. If you'll click this field, search field, okay, a drop down will appear in front of you. Now if you click this arrow, you can see the responses. These responses are the same responses which are captured above by Pabbly Connect here when we integrated Facebook inside. Okay, so these same responses can be seen here in the scroll down. So this option for mapping data is given to you so that whenever you have to enter the value in the particular field, you need not to go up again and again. Then you have to search for the data, then copy it, come down and paste it. Instead, you can simply map it. How? Click on the field, a scroll down will appear. Now I'll search for total spend. Okay. Here you can see spend amount is 1961. So I'll click this. Now the next parameter is clicks. So I'll search for clicks. Let me search for clicks. Okay, here you can see how many clicks has appeared in the advertisement we have given, 643. So I'll select this. Now the on-site conversation post. So I'll search for on-site conversation post. Here it is, on-site conversation post. I'll map it. Sorry, I'll delete it. I have to choose the value. So I'll search for the value once again. I'll scroll down. Okay, here is the value, cost per action type, on-site conversation post. Okay, now we have to search for link click. So I'll search for link click. Here you can see the value of link click. I'll add the value. Now the post engagement. Okay, I'll search for post engagement. Come down. Here you can see the post engagement value. Okay. Now the page engagement. I'll search for the page engagement. Okay. So you can see the cost per page engagement. Here it is. Now outbound click. I'll search for outbound click. Okay. Here is the value for outbound click. Now I'll search for the impressions. Okay. Here you can see the value for impressions. I'll search for the start date. Okay, so here you can see the start date, and I'll search for the stop date. Sorry. And here is the stop date. So we have successfully added the value in our subheaders. These subheaders are the same subheaders which we have given mapped in our Google Sheet. Now I'll click on save and send test request. Okay. And we will see the responses if they are positive. Yes, responses are positive. Now let me take you back to my Google Sheet, and here you can see automatically the values has been added under the subheaders correctly. Okay, so this is why we have integrated Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, because I wanted the values of these particular subheaders in my Google Sheet. So without the integration, it was not possible. So we have successfully done our integration of Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. Now we will hop on to our next step, which is integration of Telegram. We have to integrate Telegram with Pabbly Connect. So you have to click on this plus sign. Okay. Come to the search field, and here you have to search for Telegram bot. Okay, click here. Now guys, why we are integrating Telegram with the Pabbly Connect? Because I want the same data, the same values, responses should be captured in the group which I have created in my Telegram account. So for that, I have to integrate Telegram with Pabbly Connect. Okay, here is the new field of action event. Now you know how to choose the action event. You have to simply click this arrow and you can see here the various action events. Now I'll choose for action event. Scroll down, and here you can see the particular action event: send a text message or a reply HTML. So I'll choose this particular action event and now I'll click on connect. Okay, let it load. So guys, a mini window has emerged in front of you asking for two options. I'll click on add new connection and now it is asking us for the token. Okay, so let me show it to you how you can get the token. First, read the description. It is written, go to telegram.me/botfather to create a new bot. Type new bot to the message box and press enter. Enter the name of the username of your new bot. You can receive the message from botfather containing the token which you can use to connect Telegram bot to Pabbly Connect. To add your bot to your Telegram application, click the link in the message from botfather or enter it manually to your browser. The link is me/your bot name. Okay, so to create the bot, you have to first go to your Telegram web page. Okay, so you can see this is my Telegram account I have opened in my web page. Now come to the search field and here you have to search for botfather. Okay, botfather. Here it is. You can see botfather has got a blue tick. Okay, so I have opened it. Now come to the message field and here you have to type /new bot. Okay, /new bot. Okay, so botfather has replied, alright, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Before, please choose a name for your bot. So let's choose a name for bot. Let's say we have chosen FB2 Let's see. Okay, good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end bot like this example. Tetris underscore bot. So I'll type the name which I have given to my bot, FB2 underscore bot. Okay, let's see what botfather's reply. Okay, so done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at this website. On this link you can now add a description about section and profile picture for your bot. See help. Okay, use this token to access the HTTP API. So we have got the token. We have to copy this token. Okay, and we have to paste it there in our Pabbly Connect account. Okay, and I'm pasting the token here. Now I'll click on save. Okay, let's see. Let it load. Okay guys, so we have successfully integrated Telegram bot. Now you can see it is asking us for the chat ID, okay, and text message. So let's see from where we can get the chat ID. Let's go to our Telegram web page. Okay, so guys, we are back to our Telegram web account. Now here in the message, a link was given to you. So you have to click this link and this is our bot. You have to start the bot. Click on start. Now our bot is finally activated. Okay. What we have to do next is we have to create a group where you want the message to be sent, the responses of your Facebook Inside app advertisement to be sent. So you have to create a group and you have to make this bot admin there. So I cannot create a group from my WhatsApp web page. I mean the Telegram web page. For that I have to open it in my desktop, PC desktop or on my mobile. So let me open it there and let me create a group and let me make this bot the admin and then I'll show you what we have to do next. Okay guys, this is my desktop app, Telegram app. Now I'll create a group here. I'll click on this 3 lines. I'll create a group. Let's say my group name is Facebook to Telegram to WhatsApp. Okay, so let's say I have added Akash on my group and I'll search for the bot. Our bot was FP2 Tele. Here is the bot and I'll create the group. So I've created the group. Now I'll make the bot, the particular bot, the admin of the group. Okay, so for that you have to come to the right corner on these three buttons, click here, come to manage group. Okay, sorry, not manage group. You have to view group information. Okay, here you can see the members. Now come to your bot, click click the left button of your mouse, and here you can see it is written promote to admin. So I'll promote the bot to admin and I'll save. So you can see the bot has been promoted to the admin. Now bot is the admin of this group. Okay. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. And here you can see the parameter. It is asking us for the chat ID. So let me show it to you from where you can find the chat ID. Let's go to our Telegram web page. Okay, here is the Telegram web page. You can see here the group I have created, Facebook. Okay, there is a spelling error here to Telegram to WhatsApp. And now I have made the bot the admin of this group, particular group. Now from where you can find the chat ID here, if you can see, this number is given to you. You have to copy this number. This is the particular chat ID. Go back to your Pabbly Connect account. Okay, and here you have to paste the chat ID. Now read the description, what it is written. Message to group, use hyphen. Okay, here you can see if we have to message the group, if we have to put the message in group, we have to put a hyphen before the ID. And if we use the private channel, we have to put -100 -100 before the chat ID. So we are putting the message in the group, so we have used the hyphen before our chat ID. Okay, now come down and we have to enter the text message here. Okay, now what will be the text message? Let me show it to you. If we'll come to the responses above, come up in the responses of Facebook Insight ad. Okay, now you have to choose the particular fields, which fields you want to send in the message of Telegram. Okay, the responses. Let's say you have to choose the frequency, you want to choose the click value, you want to choose the total amount spent, you want to choose the start date. So you can see all of these values in the in the responses of Facebook Insights. Okay, you have to choose the particular value of the particular parameter and you have to enter it into the message. So let's say I'll choose for the particular parameters, which will be total spent amount, start date, stop date. Okay, then post engagement and page engagement. I'll choose these 5. So how I'll type the message? Come down. Okay, come to the text field here. Let's say my message will start like, hello everyone, here are the responses, or let's say following are the responses. Okay, now I'll enter total spend. Okay, I'll enter the value here, 1961. Okay, now I'll say post engagement. I'll search for post engagement here. Cost per action, no. Post engagement, here is the post engagement value, cost per post engagement. Okay, now let's say we want to put page engagement. Okay, so we will search for page engagement here. Here is the cost per page engagement value. And now I want the start date. So I'll search for the start date value. This is the start date. And I finally want stop date. So I'll search for stop date now. Okay, this is the stop date. So I have successfully wrote the message. I have entered the value, the subheadings and the value I want to send as the message. And now these fields will remain the same here. And I'll click on save and send test request. Okay, we'll see the responses if they are positive or not, if there is any error showing. No, the responses are completely positive. And now let me take you to my Telegram web page and let me show it to you if there is any message we have received in our group or not. Okay guys, so this is my Telegram web page and you can see here automatically a message which we have wrote has appeared here. You can see hello everyone, following are the responses. Here are the subheadings which we have given and the value which we have mapped there. So guys, we have successfully integrated Telegram with the Pabbly Connect and you have seen the responses, how the integration has worked. Now we'll go back to our Pabbly Connect account and we'll do our final step, which is integration of WhatsApp. But guys, here is the twist. We are not integrating WhatsApp. Instead, we are integrating 360 dialog. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, we have to use another software, which is the official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. So for that, you have to click this plus sign. Okay. Come to the search field and here you have to search for 360 dialog. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. And now a new field of action event has emerged in front of me. If I click this arrow, you can see the various action event here. I want to choose send template message. Okay, I'll choose this particular action event and now I'll click on connect. A mini window has emerged in front of me asking for two options, add new connection and choose existing connection. I'll click on add new connection and now guys, it is asking me for the API key and the domain. So let's read out the description first. It is written, enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account, log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. And in the domain it is written, enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key, example 𝗪𝗆.360.dialog.io. Now let me take you to my account on 360 dialog first. Okay guys, so this is my account on 360 dialog. Now if you are in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 dialog or how I have created my account on 360 dialog. So for that we have created a different separate video and I have added the link of that particular video in my description box. So guys, don't forget to go and check the link, and I have added one more link beside that. Now if you will go through that link guys, you can avail the services of 360 dialog at very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the links. Now let me tell you from where you can get the API key. Come to the left corner here, you can see three options are given to you. You have to click on WhatsApp account, okay, and come to the right corner now. Below you can see a blue button is given to you which says generate API key. So you have to click this guys and you can generate your API key. Let me tell you, this process of generating API key is a one-time process. So you will just generate your API key once and the same API key can be used for different workflows. So you have to click this button and you can generate your API key, and with the API key the domain will be generated automatically. Now I have already generated my API key and the domain and I have copied it. So let me go back to my Pabbly Connect account and let me paste it here. After pasting the API key and the domain, I'll simply click on save and automatically I'll be back in my workflow. So guys, I'll paste my API key, and one more thing, I cannot show you my API key and domain because of some security reasons. So it's a very simple process. You have to generate the API key from your 360 dialog account. It's a one-time process. You will take the API key and the domain, you will come back to your Pabbly Connect account and you will simply paste it here, both of the things, and now you will click on save. So you will be entered back in your workflow. Okay. So guys, you can see I have been successfully authorized in. The WhatsApp has been integrated with the Pabbly. It was a very simple process. Now let's see what we have to fill the fields we will see. First field is saying template. So let me show it to you what is template. If I'll go back to my 360 account, okay, here besides generate API key, it is written show details. I'll click this, and now you can see there are 3 options given to you. I'll click on templates, and guys, now you can see the templates, the various templates I have created for different workflow. Now for this particular workflow, I've created this template, FB ad spend update. Okay, let me show it to you. So guys, here you can see template is nothing but just the body of SMS which will be sent on WhatsApp. Okay, here it is written, hello 1, your FB ad update for today is total FB ad spend, total sales, ROS, thanks automation powered by Pabbly Connect. So guys, you can see this is the text which we have written. Now if you are thinking what are these numbers in double boxes 1, 2 or 3, so these are the variables which will be keep changing according to the values. Let's say if I'll enter 78, so in the place of 1, you can see the value I have entered. Okay, in place of number 2, let's say I'll enter 888, so you can see the value has been changed. So guys, these are the variables which will be keep changing according to the values we'll enter. Okay, now one more important thing, how can you create your template? Go up. Here you can see at the right corner a blue button is given to you which says add template. You have to click this and the format of new template will appear in front of you. Now you can name your template from here. You can choose the particular language, in which language you want the body of SMS, and here you will finally type the body of SMS. Okay. After creating the template, you have to click on preview and submit. So guys, after you will create the template will be sent for the approval process. The approval process is done by Facebook, and the approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. If I'll tell you in general, the approval process is done before 1 day only. So don't forget to first create your template and then send your template for approval. Guys, without the approval process, you cannot use your template. Let me show it to you here. All my templates are approved, as you can see on my screen. Okay. Now I have to map this particular template which I have shown to you, FB ad spend update, in my Pabbly Connect account. So let me show it to you how I can map it. I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account. Okay, I'll come to the field of template. I'll click this arrow and I'll search for the particular template which is FB ad spend update. I'll choose this particular template. Okay. Okay, now the next field namespace will be automatically be filled up, and same goes with the language code. Here it is written EN. Guys, EN stand for English. Now let me take you back to my account. Here you can see under the language section, EN, it is written EN. So EN stands for English. This shows that all of our templates are in the English language, including our particular template which we are using here, FB ad spend. Okay, so this template is also in the English language. So this field will be automatically be filled up. Now come to the recipient mobile number. Here we have to add the mobile number. Okay, so this is the recipient's mobile number. Okay, don't forget to read the description. Here it is written, enter the recipient mobile number with the country code +91. So it is important to add the country code with the mobile number, then only 360 dialog will accept the recipient number. Okay, now come to the body fields. Here are the body field 1, 2, 3, 4. I have already shown you body field work as the variable, as adding the value to the variables. Let me take you back to my 360 dialog account. Here you can see the variables are given. So now this template, I have made this template in reference to the job advertisement. I've given the advertisement for jobs. Okay, so this template is for that particular advertisement. You can create the template according to your advertisement which you have given. Here you can see the fields has been given as the job applicants field. Now the total FB ad spend, here we have to add the value. The total sales, here we have to add the value, and the return we have got, here we have add the value. So these same body fields we have to map here in our Pabbly Connect account. Now I am telling you again, the template I have created for the advertisement which I have given for the jobs. Okay, so here the body fields has emerged accordingly. You will create the template according to the advertisement you have given, so the body fields will emerge according to the template, according to the advertisement which you have given. So you will enter the value accordingly. Now here I'll enter in the body field 1, I'll enter the name. Let's say the name is Karan. Okay, now in body field 2, it is asking me for the total FB ad spend. So I'll map the random value here. Okay, I'll search for spend. Okay, I'm mapping the random value. You will add the value according to the template which you have created, according to the advertisement which you have run in your FB account. Okay, here the third parameter is asking for the total sale. So here I'll add the random value. Let's say the random value is on-site post. Okay, and the fourth variable is asking me for the return. So again I'll add a random value here. So let's say the value is, I'm adding the click value here, 643. Okay, and now I'll click on save and send test request, and we will see the responses if they are positive or not. Let it load. Okay, yes guys, the responses are completely positive. Now let's go to our WhatsApp web page and we will see if we have received any message there or not. Okay guys, as you can clearly see, a message has just arrived which says, hello Karan, your FB ads update for today. Total FB ad spend 1961, total sales 653, and return is 643. Thanks. So guys, you can see the same message which we have written, which we have typed there. I mean the body of fields which we have entered the values accordingly, the message has been sent here. So guys, you have seen how perfectly the integration has worked. Okay, now let me tell you, I'll add the link of the workflow, the same workflow which we have created today, this particular workflow, in my description box. Okay, and you can directly click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So guys, don't forget to go and check the link. Okay, hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.